Hey guys, it's Angela. I am going to do a quick little pour, continuing with my skull theme, except this time I have a little skeleton of an octopus. Now, I know that octopuses, octopi, I don't think they really have skeletons. I don't know that he would actually look like this, but I saw him and I had to get him. He's got a lot of really cool spaces here at the top, and he has a hole on the bottom, so I think the paint's gonna flow through really cool. So I have my Arteza pre-mixed pouring paints. This is just a bottle one, just to show you the type. I've already filled up my cup with probably, again, way too many paints, and let's get started. Okay, I don't think I can really tree ring him because I want to get all of his legs, but we'll see what we can do. Wow, look at the design that the paint made. That's really cool. I'm gonna try to tilt up my light because I just realized how much of a glare it's giving now that there's actually paint on the canvas. Let's see. I'm trying to sneak upstairs tonight to do a quick painting. Hopefully that's not too dark. We'll give it a try. Now, my mom actually gave me a suggestion the last time she saw one of these videos for getting some of the paint onto the areas that didn't stick. So I'm gonna give it a try. She suggested a syringe. I remembered I had these little pipettes from, I don't even remember when. It was from when I went through my essential oil craze. But that actually works out really well. I'm going to turn him around really quick. See if I can get the paint to tilt this way just a little bit too, and to see what I'm missing. Okay, I am back. I am going to move this guy over to a piece of freezer paper and let him continue to drip, and I'm going to tilt this canvas. So I'm going to gently pick him up by one leg and hope that my fingerprints don't mess him up much. There you go. He looks really cool. Okay, I will show him to you guys after. This looks really fun. I am very excited. Alright, I'm gonna tilt. Bit of shadow, sorry for that. I'm going to try to show it to you without shadow. So sometimes this Arteza paint does this weird thing. I don't know if it's when it gets old, or sometimes it could be a reaction to other paints. I did toss in one non-Arteza paint. Now, maybe that right there is the interaction. Not sure. Somebody else might not even notice it, but it may drive me bonkers. But that's okay. I really like this little bit right here. The little gold popping out. Those really cool little patterns right here with the pink. That came out really cool. There's the overall piece. I am super excited to see how he will dry. I decided to use this paint because this paint tends to keep its colors really well. Stays a little bit more vibrant than the Artist Loft Ready Mix. So, we'll see what happens. But I like the little gold dots on his leg right here. It's really cute. Just trying not to make him overly pink. And yet his face is still very pink. But that's okay. I like him. So, stay tuned and I will show you how these pieces dried. Hey guys, so I'm back with the dried results. And here is Mr. Octopus. He is so cool. I love him. I'm going to show you both sides from the light. And then I will spin him around. The metallics really hit really well. I love this little bit right here. I think that's so cool. I love the little green on his arms. I love how each one of his legs is just slightly different. I just think he came out so much, just so fun. I'm thinking, I don't know, I'm open for opinions, but I'm thinking maybe filling in his little eyes black, like right here. What do you guys think? The only part that didn't really get covered was the very underside of him, but I think that's okay. I think I will probably clean it up on my own, maybe just add some black, or I might just leave him the way it is, you know, because nature does weird things. We'll just call it a natural feature. So that's Mr. Octopus. And then here's how the painting came out. The painting has some really cool bright neon splotches, which I love. Maybe there's a better word than splotch, but that's what I'm going to use. This is really cool. This is where I was a little worried because it kind of broke up a little bit, but the blue is kind of smoky, and then here's that like neon bit with the blue and the yellow, the gold and the bronze. I just really like how that came out. Sorry, my light's a little bright. But still came out really cool. I think I love the lines in this corner right here. And this little bit right here came out really cool. And that pink is still just so fun. So overall, I'm pretty pleased with both pieces. So thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this, please go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Feel free to share this. Hit the notification bell for the next time I go ahead and do another one of these. I have a fish skeleton that will hopefully be up soon. I do have some more skulls. I have some teeny tiny skulls that I think I'm going to be doing, so we'll see how that all works out. So thanks again. Bye guys.